Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Evernote with Google Calendar. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Evernote? It's pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type evernote.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. In the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account or log in using an existing account. Now, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to connect Evernote with Google Calendar. So from this homepage, you're going to have to head over to the left corner of your screen. We're going to have a couple options here. So you have home, shortcut, notes, tags, you have calendar. So go ahead and click on calendar. All right, so you have this calendar here. So here you can actually, remind me to take notes and, just create your own personalized calendar if you want to create your personalized calendar and all of this stuff. So, but then the most important aspect is to actually connect it with Google Calendar, right? So go ahead and click on Notes. So this is Notes, and click on the content of your note. Now head over to Insert. All right, so okay, so this is not giving us the option to actually. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on calendar event. So click on that calendar event, and we're going to see what next to do. So connect your calendar to bring your notes, schedule, and tasks together. You have Google Calendar, you have Outlook. So go ahead and click on this Try Calendar button and link notes to calendar events for easy access. So we're using Google Calendar. Because we're using Google Calendar, we're going to use sign in with Google so we can get the Google Calendar linked. So I'm choosing this account. So click on continue for permissions. Allow. By the way, I'd like you to note that this email or this details right here that we're actually using for sign up or sign in is not real. All right, it was just created for this purpose. So now it says you have successfully connected your calendar to Evernote. So feel free to close this tab and return to awesome. So go ahead and click on go to notes. So that has been successfully connected. All right, so it's going to take me right into Evernote again. I don't know how long it's going to take, but then just ensure that you have a stable internet connection so that the process is going to be fast. So right here, we're in, and we have successfully connected Evernote with Google Calendar. As you can see, this is what it looks like right here. So everything has been integrated. It's super sweet. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.